Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Are you returning to ice skating or maybe just want to get started? Then check out this awesome pair of skates that I have from AhmyLion. This is a beautiful pair of figure skates that will really allow you to be able to begin skating with no problem. Now, I've been skating pretty much my whole life and I had not skated in a while, but I tried these out and they really made me feel super confident as I skated around the ice. They are made completely out of leather and they have the skates on them that are already sharpened, so I didn't have to worry. I basically could just take them out of the box and go. They have that signature toe pick, which did a great job in helping me so that I was able to skate around with no problem. The skates themselves are really nice and supportive, so I really appreciated that around the ankle area, I felt like I had complete support so that I could skate confidently and stand nice and tall while I was skating. The skates stayed nice and tight as well while I was skating because nothing worse than your ties coming undone while you're on the ice. The skates feel luxurious, they look beautiful, the inside is nice and warm, and they're nice and cushioned on the inside as well. So even though they're nice and structured around the ankle area, they really felt supportive and comfortable at the same time. I highly enjoyed my time and I can't wait to go ice skating again so that I can continue working on this great sport and really enjoy my time on the ice thanks to these beautiful, beautiful figure skates. And that's my point of view.